Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow camera access on Facebook in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on history, click on camera, then not allow this access. Okay, back, tap on settings, then scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, tap on Facebook. Okay, this option is disable camera option. Just click and enable this camera access, then back home screen and check this app. Click on Facebook, tap on history, click on this camera, allow this camera on Facebook in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.